So I suspect, but I'm not certain, that this switch is the reverse light switch. It's a two-prong switch, and it makes continuity whenever you switch the transmission into reverse. I just switched into reverse, and I would expect that there's continuity here. This actually would turn on the lights for the reverse whenever you go into reverse gear. So let's take a look. Yep. Let me get out of reverse. Nope, no continuity. This is the reverse switch that I need to wire to the E36 automatic harness, because the automatic harness has a switch, has a wire as well for reverse. Whenever you shifted that into neutral, reverse neutral, it actually closes those connectors as well. So we just need to replicate that on this car. The old slave cylinder clutch line was toast. It was too rusted through to revive, so I decided to get a new one. It's got special hookups here. We only need this one. This one goes into the slave cylinder. This one goes into the line that eventually goes to the master cylinder, but we don't need this, so we're going to cut it off like right there. All right, and then we're going to flare on a regular bubble flare line on that. But this guy plugs right into that, okay? And it's got the same type of circlip hookup as the master cylinder. And we're gonna cut it here. Let me see if I can push this on a little bit more. Okay, and then the clutch line will end up going right into there just like that. I already have kind of like a plug that I put onto this stainless steel line, but it's going to end up plugging right into that guy. And we are going to be in good shape. This is a pretty slick setup we got here. We just need to secure the stainless steel line when we're done. But this is it. Let's flare that. Let's cut and flare that line. So this is the cutting / flaring toolkit. This is the flarer, kind of matches up with that guy. That's our cutter. And it's got a whole bunch of different sizes and stuff too, which is pretty neat. But it does bubble flares, it does different sizes, pretty neat. So let's cut this and flare it. Still need to secure it, bend it out a little bit so there's no interferences, but this is the general idea. We'll make this guy curl around, and we'll try to put a couple of additional bends in here. Be sure not to kink it. You can see it kind of moves around, so we got to secure it.